What's going on, everyone? Back here again with another packing for you guys. This time, Roaring Skies. Can we get a shaman? Let's find out. Alright, so we're going to start this guy right here. Alright. Oh, come on. No, you stupid. Okay. And code card is... Aha! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Right there. And got ourselves a Cascoon, Dratini, Natu Ancient Trait, Wingull, Lechling, Teleper, Togetic, Latios Spirit Link, Reverse Hollow is an Electrike, and Talonflame. Really hoping I pull something at least semi-decent from this, guys. Okay, I'm stretching this spacing again. No, that's not the code card. What? Oh, wait. No. This comes with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Got ourselves an Execute about to be eaten by a Spearow, a Holucha, Pikachu, Natu, Spearow, Tranquil, Wally, Silcoon, Swablu Reverse, and Unpheasant Ancient Trait Rare. Okay, nothing too good so far. This is my last hope here for anything decent. Right there. And we got ourselves a Dratini, Inkay, Natu, Togepi, Gallade Spirit Link, Shelgon, Ninjask, Cascoon Reverse, and Dragonite Rare. Non-hollow. Yeah, non-hollow. So this has been disappointing, but hey, that's what we do here at Klips. We buy the bad pack so you don't have to.